Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into 8 small but life-changing Japanese habits that can help you elevate your life, make your home spotless, and bring peace to your mind. This video is especially for those of you who love keeping your homes sparkling clean, from the kitchen to the floor to the bathroom, but want to make it all feel more meaningful and satisfying. Because let's face it, cleaning isn't just about scrubbing. It's about creating a space that reflects your mindset. And when you combine it with these Japanese habits, you're not just cleaning your home, you're elevating your entire life. So stick around till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video that can transform your everyday routine. 1. Kaizen, daily improvement. Let's start with a powerful concept called Kaizen. It simply means continuous small improvements. Instead of huge changes all at once, the idea is to improve just 1% every day. Apply this to your cleaning routine. Instead of trying to deep clean the whole house in one exhausting day, why not clean one small section daily? One day, clean the kitchen stove with a degreasing spray. Next day, disinfect the bathroom sink. Small wins equals long-term peace and tidiness. 2. Osoji, daily cleaning ritual. In Japan, they have a tradition called osoji, which means big cleaning, especially before New Year. But many Japanese people practice daily cleaning to keep their space fresh and energy flowing. Start your day with a 10-minute cleaning ritual. Wipe down surfaces using a citrus-scented all-purpose cleaner. Sweep the floor. Lightly scrub the kitchen counter. Trust me, when your environment is clean, your mind becomes clear. 3. Shinrin Yoku, nature therapy. Shinrin Yoku translates to forest bathing. It's about immersing yourself in nature to calm the mind. Now, what does that have to do with cleaning? Well, when you take time to relax in nature, even just for 10 to 15 minutes, you return with a clear and focused mindset. Cleaning no longer feels like a chore. It becomes a calming activity. Pro tip: add indoor plants to your kitchen or bathroom to bring a little piece of nature into your space. 4. Ichigo Ichi, one moment, one opportunity. This beautiful concept reminds us that every moment is unique and will never return. So next time you're cleaning the bathroom or wiping the floor, don't rush. Be present. Smell the fresh aroma of your floor cleaner. Feel the sponge in your hand. See the shine you're bringing back. Turn your cleaning into a mindfulness practice. It's not just about tidying up, it's about being fully here. 5. Hara Hachi Bu, 80% full rule. This Japanese habit usually applies to food. Only eat until you're 80% full. But guess what? You can apply this to how you buy and store cleaning products too. Many of us clutter our cabinets with too many cleaning chemicals. Instead, stick to 3 to 4 powerful, versatile products. Less is more. You'll save space, money, and time. Minimalism in your cleaning cabinet equals clarity in your routine. 6. Chinoyu, tea ceremony mindset. In Japan, the tea ceremony is a peaceful, slow, intentional experience. Everything is done with calmness and purpose. Why not bring the same energy to cleaning? Before you start, prepare yourself. Put on your gloves. Choose your favorite scented cleaner. Play soft music. Focus on one area at a time. This isn't just cleaning, it's ritual. And rituals bring peace. 7. Wabi-sabi, beauty in imperfection. Wabi-sabi teaches us to appreciate the beauty in imperfection. So maybe your kitchen counter has an old stain, or your bathroom tiles aren't shiny new. That's okay. Keep things clean, but stop chasing perfection. Let go of stress. A well-kept but slightly aged space has charm and soul. Bonus tip: build your cleaning ritual with the right chemicals. If you want a Japanese-style home that's always clean, organized, and fresh, here's a simple 3-product cleaning arsenal to keep. Citrus all-purpose cleaner for kitchen counters, cabinets, and general surfaces. Antibacterial floor disinfectant, especially for tiles, hardwood, and bathroom floors. Heavy-duty degreaser spray for greasy stovetops and exhaust areas. Set a weekly calendar. Monday, kitchen cleaning. Tuesday, floors. Wednesday, bathroom. And so on. Add scent, calm, and structure to make it a ritual, not a chore. Final words and call to action. So friends, those were the 8 powerful Japanese habits that can truly elevate your life. not just in mindset, but in the way you clean and care for your home. Which of these habits are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found value in this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our weekly life-changing content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay clean, stay calm, and stay inspired.